Hi, welcome back to another YouTube video. My name is Iro. Today we are going to learn 4 simple chords that are used in most of the pop songs. All you need to know is this formula and you will be able to play hundreds of pop songs. I'm going to teach you how to find this formula, which is the chord progression. So after you have learned it, you can play in any key you want. This is not as difficult as you thought. Even beginners can do this. So I'll first pick a key, which is the key of C. Every note in a C major is going to have a number. So C is our first note and this will be 1, D will be 2, E will be 3, and so on. Our first chord is chord minus 6. All we need to do is to count up to 6 from C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this will give us an A minor chord. So this is the first chord, the chord minus 6. The next chord in the progression is the chord 4. Let's count up to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This gives us an F major chord. The next chord in the progression is chord 1, which is the C major chord. And finally, our last chord, chord 5. Let's count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is the G major chord. So now that we have learned the formula, which is minus 6, 4, 1, and 5, let's try to put them together and hear how it sounds like. We are going to start with our A minor, which is our minus 6, then F major, which is our chord 4, then we have got our chord 1, which is the C major, then G major, which is our chord 5. I'm just going to keep repeating the progression like a loop. Maybe I will start changing the timing by playing each chord in 2 beats. And you'll probably be like, oh my god, this is getting so familiar. Once you're ready, you can start to add the melody line with the right hand. There you go! There are so many songs that you can play using this chord progression. You can also play this chord in different order like chord 1, 5, minus 6, and 4. Comment down below and let me know your favorite song uses this chord progression. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Have fun exploring and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!